Yeah.
Good evening, children. Online children, good evening to you.
Good evening, sir.
Good evening, sir.
Sir.
It is so risky to do classes, especially online classes, because of lightning, thundering, raining, and everything. If the power cut occurs, then I have to stop the class. If thundering occurs, then temporarily I have to stop the class. Okay. Have you watched the Google weather report? Why not? It says that after 7 p.m., there will be risky thundering, lightning, and raining. Risky, very risky. අකුණු ගැසීම් ප්‍රබලයි කියලා තියෙනවා. පෙරේදත් ලොකු අකුණක් ගැහුවා. ඊට පස්සේ මේ ඔක්කොම ඕෆ් වුණා. එහෙම වෙන්න පුළුවන් අදත්. හරි? එහෙම වුණොත් කලබල වෙන්න දෙයක් නැහැ. මොකද අකුණු ගහද්දි මේ ඉලෙක්ට්‍රොනික ඩිවයිසස් එක වැඩ කරන්න බෑ අපිට. එක දවසක ක්ලාස් කරන්න කියලා අන්තිමට හැමදාටම ක්ලාස් කරන්න බැරි වෙයි. ඒ නිසා මම එහෙම වුණොත් ඕෆ් කරනවා. හරි? එහෙම වුණොත් ඒගොල්ලන්ට රෙකෝඩින් එක තමයි බලන්න වෙන්නේ. පවපේල් එකක් වුණොත් ඒත් අපිට සිද්ධ වෙනවා පොඩ්ඩක් බලන් ඉන්න. හරි? ඒ නිසා දැම්ම මොන්න කිව්වා කලබල වෙලා කෝල් කරන්න ලෑස්ති වෙන්න එපා. ඔයගොල්ලොත් ගෙවල් වලටලා ඔන්ලයින් ලොග් වෙනවා නම් ගොඩක් අකුණු ගහනවා නම් රෙකෝඩින් එක බැලුවට කමක් නැහැ. අකුණු ගහන අතරේ ඔය ඉලෙක්ට්‍රොනික ඒවත් එක්ක තනියෙන් ඉන්න එපා. හරි? මම එකක් කියන්න එපයි. ක්ලාස් එකට එක දවසක් ලයිව් හිටියේ නැති වුණ කමක් නැහැ. ඊට වැඩි ඔයගොල්ලෝ එහෙම ඇවිදින්න එහෙම යන්නේ ඕන තරම්. ඊට ඒ වගේ නෙමෙයි ඕගලන්ගේ තියෙන ඩිවයිසස් ඒ වගේම අනතුරු වෙන්න පුළුවන්. ඒ ගැන පොඩ්ඩක් අවධානයෙන් ඉන්න. බය වෙන්න දෙයක් නැහැ. හැබැයි කල්පනාවෙන් ඉන්න ඕන. මොකද අකුණු ගැන warnings දීලා තියෙන්නේ. මේක සාමාන්‍ය දෙයක්. අපිට නම් ඔක්තෝබර් නොවැම්බර් month වල මේක සාමාන්‍යයෙන් වෙන දෙයක්. හරි අමාරුයි මේ night classes කරන්න වැස්සත් එක්ක. අනේ විවිධ disturbances එන්න පුළුවන්. ඒ ගැන සැලකිලිමත් වෙන්න. Last week, finally we filled this paragraph. Can you remember? Yes, we did food chains and the food webs. Here is a food chain. Interconnecting food chains, this food web is made. මේ food chains ගොඩක් එකතු වුණාම මෙන්න මේ වගේ food web එකක් හැදෙනවා කියලා කිව්වා. එහෙම නේද? ඔව්. There are number of food chains in this food web. Let's start with a question now. අපි question එකකින් පටන් ගමු. Look at this food chain. It is started from grass. It's a producer. Eaten by the grasshopper. Sorry. Eaten by the grasshopper. Grasshopper is eaten by the frog. Frog is eaten by the python. You have asked few questions now. Few questions. Answer for the first one. What is the producer of the above food chain? Yes. Producer of this food chain. What is it? මම එහපු එක්කෙනා උත්තර දෙයි. අනිත නිශ්ශබ්දව ඉන්න. Sorry. Grass. ඊට මෙහා පැත්ත එක්කෙනා. මැද. How many links are there? Yes. 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Yes, there are 4 links. What is the first link here? Graphs. Is it correct? Is it correct? Yes. Grass is the first link. I'm not going to ask the other questions. I let to write for you. I need answers from all of you.
So should we write the question?
I have sent the tute now. So no need to write the question. Tute has
Okay.
been sent last week. You should have it with you. PDF එවල තියෙන කල්ලාතුව. අදත් ඊයේත් එකක් කිව්වා. ඒවා print out කරන් ලෑස්ති වෙන්න ඕන. online ඉන්නවා නම්. මම ගිය සතියේ තව එක ටියුට් එකක් තිබිලා දුන්නේ නැහැ නේ.
Finished writing, sir.
So I have finished my work.
What is the first link here? It is grass.
Grass.
What is the second link in this food chain? What is it?
Grasshopper.
Grasshopper. Yes. What is the third link?
Frog.
Frog. First, second, third, fourth. Third link is frog. What is the fourth link here?
Python.
Python. Who are the animals indirectly depend on plants? What do you mean by indirectly? Vakrakarin chakamata yapenni. Do not directly eat plants, but eat animals who eat plants. ශාක කන සත්තු ආහාරයට ගන්න. What is it?
Frog,
What
python.
are they? Frog, python. Both. Animal who directly depend on plants. What is the name given for the animal who directly depend? Common name given for them? Herbivores. Herbivores. That is grasshopper. What happened to python? If all frogs are destroyed, if the frogs are not there,
Python will come and eat the grasshopper.
then what will happen to the python?
Python is English.
Yes. Python will die due to lack of food. Python has no food now. Python can't eat grass. Python doesn't eat grasshoppers. If the frog is not there, no python will be. If the frog is not, if the grasshoppers are not there, then no frogs and pythons will be. Understood? If the grass is not there, none of the animals will be. එකෙක්වත් ඉතුරු වෙන්නේ නැහැ. Is it happen in a forest? Is it happen in a grassland? I mean, in a grassland, it is a food chain. Does it happen? Make a වෙන දෙයක් naturally? No, it doesn't. Why? Animals depend on variety of food. They do not depend only one type of food. Python depends on other animals also, not only from frogs. ගෙම්බෝ නැති වුණා කියලා කැලේක පිඹුර මැරෙනවද ඔක්කොම? ඇයි ඌ කන්නේ ගෙම්බෝ විතරද? That's why the food webs are there. අන්න food webs තියෙනවා ඒ නිසා. Food webs. Animal depends on different kinds of food. So food chains are not individually existed in nature. Food chains තනි තනිව නැහැ. They are interconnected to form a web like this. මෙන්න මෙහෙමයි තියෙන්නේ food chains ඔක්කොම. එකට සම්බන්ධ වෙලා. Because of that, the survival of the animals are established. Survival of the animals are established. කියන්නේ සත්තුන්ගේ පැවැත්ම තහවුරු වෙනවා. මෙහෙම තිබ්බනම් එකෙක් නැති වුණොත් අනිත් අයත් නැහැ. එහෙම වෙන්නේ නැහනේ. නේද? එක සතෙක් නැති වුණා කියලා අනිත් ඇයි එයා තව තව දේවල් කනවා. මෙතන පයිතන ඉන්නවද? නැහැ. ගෝට් නැති වුණා කියලා ලෙපර්ඩ්ස් මැරෙනවද මෙතන? නැහැ. එයාට රැබිට්ස්ලා ඉන්නවා. නේද? ගෝට් නැති වුණා කියලා ෆොක්ස් මැරෙනවද? නැහැ. එයාට රැබිට්ස් ඉන්නවා. මේ පැත්තෙන් රැට්ස්ලා ඉන්නවා. බලන්න. So that is the significance. ඒ කියන්නේ ඒ තමයි වැදගත්කම. Significance of a food web. Food web එක තියෙන වැදගත්කම. Okay? Not like a food chain. It's survival, the existence of organisms. Existence කියන්නේ පැවැත්ම. තහවුරු කරනවා. මෙතන What happened to the python if all frogs are destroyed? සේරම ගෙම්බෝ ටික මැරුණොත් මේකේ විදිහට. Python will die. What happened to the number of frogs? ගෙම්බන්ට මොකද වෙන්නේ? If python destroy, මූ නැති වුණොත් එහෙම. What will happen to the pythons? Yes, they will increase in their number. Why? They don't have predators. Predators කියන්නේ කවුද? Who are the predators? Vilopikeo. ඒ කියන්නේ their enemies. When they don't have enemies, they grow excessive. වැඩිපුරත් එක්ක බෝ වෙනවා. They breed more. But after sometimes, they will die due to lack of food. හැබැයි ගෙම්බෝ වැඩි වුණාට කෑම වැඩි වෙනවද? Grasshoppers වැඩි වෙනවද? එහෙනම් ගෙම්බෝ අතර කෑමට තරංගයක්. There will be a competition among the frogs. Due to that competition, frogs will die. First of all, they will increase in number. මුලින් වැඩි වෙයි. හැබැයි ටික කාලයක් යද්දී තැන් වල ගෙම්බෝ මැරිලා ඉඳී. කන්න නැතුව. The same thing will happen in a forest. If you kill all the leopards, lions in the forest in order to save deers, rabbits, මූව සහ හාව බේරගන්න කියලා කැලේ ඉන්න සේරම කොටි සිංහයෝ ටික මරලා දැම්මොත් මුලින් නම් වැඩි වෙයි සත්තු හැම තැනම බලන තැන ඉඳී කවුද? rabbits and deers. හැබැයි ඊට පස්සේ උන් මැරෙනවා. උන්ට කන්න නැතුව. මූව වැඩි වුණා කියලා තනකොළ වැඩි වෙන්නේ නැහැ කැලේ. Each and every animal in a food web or food chain, they plays a main role in the environment. They help to make the balance of the environment. පරිසරයේ සමතුලිතතාවය රැක ගන්න උදව් වෙනවා. You can't kill snakes. Then there will be frogs, rats, lizards everywhere. සර්පයෝ ටික මරලා දැම්මොත් හැම තැනම ගෙම්බොයි මීයොයි බෝ වෙන්න ගන්නවා. එමු නේද? No. You can't kill peacocks. මොනරු මරන්න එපා. Why? Then the snakes will be increased in number. මොනර කියන එක මරපු ගමන් සර්පයෝ වැඩි වෙනවා. Peacock eat snakes. මොනරා සර්පයෝ කනවා. උනුත් ඉන්න ඕන. Predators should be there in an environment to maintain the balance. That is a natural balancing. එක තමයි ස්වභාවික සමතුලිතතාවය in the environment පරිසරය තුළ. හැම සතෙක්ම ඉන්න ඕන. ඒකයි මේකෙන් කියන්නේ. Understood? Look at another food chain. Starting with producer. What is the sun? Sun provide energy to this environment. සූර්යයා තමයි මේ පරිසරයට ශක්තිය ලබා දෙන්නේ. That energy flows from one animal to another. Right. Look at another food web in a forest. Can you write the answers? Those are the questions given. Don't you give that question? තියෙනව නේද දීලා? Huh? Oh.
Yes, sir.
Yes. තියෙන්නේ food web එක. Where the questions are? It's a big question. It's a big question. Where it is? Where the big question? Yes. I can't get the questions as well as food web in the same slide. එකම slide එකට ගන්න බෑ මේ food web එකයි questions ටිකයි. Questions ලොකු වැඩි. You have questions with you, no? Then I'll show you the web only. Study this food web and write the answers for the questions. Short and sweet answers. It's a big question, nah? See that? No questions. Questions හොයාගන්න බැරුවද හොයන්නේ? නැද්ද? තියෙනවනේ. නැද්ද? මෙතන නැද්ද? බලන්න. ඔතන නැත්තම් ආයේ නැහැ. ඉවරයි. කරන්න දෙයක් නැහැ එහෙනම්. ඇති. ඔව්. එකම දෙකක් අහලා තියනවද? දෙකෙන් එකට ලියන්න එන. එහෙනම් නෑ ඒක නෙමෙයි. ඔව්. නැද්ද ඔතන?
Sir, the food chain is on page number 26.
26 ලු. page number 26 කියනවා. මේගොල්ලන්ට මේ හොයාගන්න බැරුව දඟලන්නේ. අන්න වැට්ටුව බීමට. No. Finished. Then those are the questions. දැනට යාළුවෙක්ගෙන් ෆුඩ් වෙබ් එක බලා ගන්න. questions වලට answers ලියන්න. එතකොට හරි. questions are on the screen. No? Finished?
So I'm writing the last question.
Uh-huh. Hey. Can I have a tute, please? On this page, food web, yes. It's a problem without this food web in the same slide. එකම ස්ලයිඩ් එකට ගන්න වෙනවා මේක නැත්තම් නිතරම හෙට මෙහෙට පෙරලන්න වෙනවනේ. අපි try එකක් දෙමු ඈ. Right. Now we have a small food web on this slide. Who are the animals that directly depend on plants in the above food? Above means this food web. Directly depend on plants. Who are they? Rabbit, goat, rat. Rabbit and goat are herbivores. Rat is a omnivore. It is an omnivore. Who are the animals that directly depend on plants? Same. Same. අයක තමයි කිව්වේ මේ equations දෙක සමානයි කියලා නේ. කමක් නැහැ. එකක් අතාරින්න. How many food chains are there in the food web? Have you counted? But you have to write them, huh? You have to write them. You said that there are 6, no? Let's see. Balamu. What happened to the number of rabbits if the leopards in the jungle are removed? Rabbits and goats, no? Rabbits and goats, if the leopards are not there, what did I tell? They will increase in number. Number of rabbits and goats are increased. Memory என்ன පුළුවන්? They will increase in number. ප්‍රමාණයෙන් විශාල වෙනවා. වැඩි වෙනවා. But later, පසුව මොකද වෙන්නේ? They will die due to competition. හැබැයි තරංගේ වැඩි වෙලා පස්සේ මැරෙන්න පුළුවන්. කෑම නැතුවනේ. ඔව්. Later, they will die due to lack of food. What do you mean by lack of food? කෑම හිගේ නිසා. කෑම මදිකම නිසා. Lack of food කියන්නේ කෑම මදිකම නිසා. Lack of food. Lack of food. Other questions? Write down all food chains present in the above food web. ඔන්න තියෙනවා. මේ තියෙන සේරම food chains ප්‍රමාණය ලියන්න ඕනලු. බලමු ලියලා හරිද කියලා. I will copy it to the next slide also. Tell me, then I'll write. What is the longest one? Plants Yes. Longest one. Rabbit.
Goat.
Fox.
Sir, can't
Plants.
you say goat there?
Plants. Goats. Plants. Goats. Fox. 2. Plants. Rat. Owl. Plants. Rat. Fox.
Plants, rabbit, leopard.
Plants. Rabbit. Leopard. Are there any? Plants. Rabbit, fox. Did I write it? Yes. Goat, leopard. No. Plants, goat, leopard. You told me that there are 6 food chains. Are there 6? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Yes. Anything missed? No. Plants, rat, fox. Written. Yes, there are 6 food chains in this food web. 6. All have 3 links. All have 3 links. Who is the first link in the above food chains? Always plants.
Plants.
Plants will be the first link. What is the first link of all food chains? The same, no? Who is the second link in the above food chain? How
Goat,
many animals are there? Goats and
rabbit, rat.
rabbits and rat. 3. Got rabbits and rats. Name the carnivore animal in the food web. Who are the carnivores in the food web? Yes?
Fox,
සමහර උත්තර
leopard,
දෙන්නේ නැහැ
owl.
කිසිම දෙයක් කියන්නේ නැහැ. ඔහේ ඉන්නවනේ බලාගත්තා ඔති බලන්න.
Fox, leopard, and owl.
Fox, leopard and owl. සමහර full owl එකෙන් වගේ ඉන්නේ බලාගෙන. Like an owl. Fox, leopard and the owl. Herbivore in the food webs? Herbivores? Who are the herbivores? Rabbit and goat. Omnivore, rat. Omnivore is the rat. Ratta. Ratta will be the omnivore. This would be. Separate question. Build up food chain can be seen in a pond. If you ask to write a food chain in an aquatic environment, like in a pond, අපි ඔච්චර ලිව්වේ ගොඩ බිම තියෙන food chain එකක් නේ. Pond එකක ඇහුවොත්. What should be the first link? Yes, very good. It should be an aquatic plant. ජලජ ශාක වලින් තමයි පටන් ගන්නේ. Aquatic plant, ජලජ ශාක. Aquatic plants are eaten by
Fish.
small fish. Small fish are eaten by
Whales.
sorry,
Whales.
whales do not eat flesh. Whales කියන එක මස් කන්නේ නැහනේ. cranes. Coca. එහෙම නැත්නම් kingfisher. tortoise. ඒ වගේ සතෙක් ගන්න පුළුවන්. killer whale කියන එක විතරයි මාළු මේ මස් කන්නේ. killer whale. අනිත් whales ලා filter feeders ලා මං කිව්වා එදා. Aquatic plants eaten by the small fish, then birds like cranes or kingfisher. Build up a food chain with 4 links that can be seen in the forest. 4 links. How can I start it?
Rat.
Starting?
Plant.
It should be started with a plant, no? A plant. Grass. Plant like grass. Eaten by
Rabbit.
rabbit. Eaten by.
Leopard.
Then who will eat leopard? There should be 4 links. Leopard to කන එකක් නෑ ඊට පස්සේ.
Snake.
Snake the python. Python. Python will be eaten by eagle. That's right.
Eagle.
And the 4 links are there. 1, 4. Build up a food chain with 5 links in a grassland. There should be 5 links. If it is a grassland, surely it should be a grass. Who will eat grass?
Grasshopper.
Grasshoppers.
Grasshopper. Goat.
Grasshopper eaten by
Frog.
frog. Frog is eaten by
Snake.
Snake.
snake. Snake is eaten by
Eagle.
eagle. Are there 5? Yes. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. That's the maximum number of links. Number of links are not more than 5. Always it should be 3, 4, 5. Maximally 5. Not more than 5. Finished? Right. Then you will have few MCQs and those questions. Can you answer them? තනියෙන් උත්තර ලියන්න ඕන මම එක එක්කෙනාගෙන් අහනවා. Here is a paper. After finishing these 8 questions, you can do this one. Then this one. Finally, last page, not last before. Ayan man, tanong ko lang dingin iki. Oh, pero antik.
Should we finish all 8 questions or the others? Excuse me, sir. Excuse me, sir. Excuse me, sir.
Yes.
Should we write only these 8 questions, or we should write others also?
No, no, I have sent a tute for you. You have to write the answer for all the questions. I can't
Ah.
show all the questions in the board at the time.
Okay.
Then children, look at the screen. I'm going to discuss these 8 questions now. The animals who consume only plant materials. Consume කියන්නේ eat කියන එක. Only plant materials. Yes, who are they? Herbivores.
Herbivore.
Omnivores are the animals who consume
Both plants and flesh.
plant and animal materials. Animals depend on flesh. Who are they?
Leopard and tiger.
Leopard and tiger. Who is the unicellular organism out of the following? What is unicellular?
Hydra.
Single cell organisms. It should be a microorganism, no? Single cell. Unique and a single. What is it?
Paramecium.
Paramecium. Good. That is paramecium. The pair of animals swallow food without chewing. Hapan natu gilna sattu kama. Swallow
and-
without chewing. Myna and fish. Myna and fish. Birds and fishes. Animal who had a rough tongue, flat grinding teeth, long jaws.
Tiger.
No. Cow. Rough tongue and flat teeth help for grinding grass. Food chain always start with a green plant. What is the first unit of a food chain? That is also green plant. First unit is also green plant. That is the first unit. Next. 4 limbs of birds have been modified as wings. What do you mean by 4 limbs? 4 limbs කියන්නේ ඉස්සරහා ගාත්‍රා දෙක කියන එක. 4 කියන්නේ ඉදිරි. F-O-R-E-4, not F-O-U-R-4. F-O-U-R-4 means හතරයි. F-O-R-E-4 means ඉදිරිය. 4 limbs කියන්නේ ගාත්‍රා. Birds ලගේ කුරුල්ලන්ගේ ඉදිරි ගාත්‍රා දෙක මොනවද වෙලා තියෙන්නේ? Modified to wings. පියාපත් බවට හැදලා තියෙනවා. Modified as wings කියන්නේ පියාපත් බවට පත් වෙලා තියෙනවා. They have only 2 legs, no? That is their hind legs. ඒ පිටිපස්සේ කකුල් දෙක. ඉස්සරහා අත් දෙක කෙලිම wings. පියාපත්. Write 2 characteristics of carnivores. 2 characteristics of carnivores. I gave it last week. Yes? They have sharp teeth and
Sharp eyesight.
that is sharp eyesight. Some have sharp like eagle, sharp nails.
Teeth.
Sharp nails.
Nose.
Claws කියන්නේ ඒවා තමයි. Claws කියන්නේ nails. පුතේ අරක කිව්වොත් එහෙම two characters of carnivores කිව්වොත් carnivores la who are the carnivores කියලා ඉවන ලියන්න පුළුවන් animals who eat flesh කියලා. දන්නවද? මේ අහන්නේ special features. Mention a group of animals do not have teeth in their mouth. Who haven't teeth in their mouth? Group of animal. සත්තු කණ්ඩායමක් ඉන්නවා. සත්තු වර්ගයක් ඉන්නවා. That they do not have teeth in their mouth. Birds. Fish have. Fish have shark teeth. Birds do not have teeth in their mouth. They have only beak, no teeth in the mouth. හොටක් පමණ ඇතියෙන දත් නැහැ කටේ. තිබ්බා අර ඉස්සර ඩයිනෝසර්ස් ලගේ කාලේ හිටියේ කුරුල්ලෙක්. ඔගේ තිබිලා තියෙනවා. උඳු පියලිය. Eaten by the robot, then the fox. What is the above simple connection called? Or what is this linear sequence is known as? Linear sequence based on food. What is it?
Food chain.
Food chain.
chain.
This is called the food chain. How many links are there in this food chain?
3.
3.
Link.
1, 2, 3. Name the producer here. Undu Piyaliya. First consumer. Who is the first consumer?
Rabbit.
Rabbit. These two are consumers. Here the first consumer. Rabbit. Who is the herbivore? Who is herbivore? That is also
Rabbit.
rabbit. Carnivore is
Fox.
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 Carnivore is the fox. Next question. Have you done it? I don't think that you have completed this question. Raise the hand those who have completed. Good. 1. Only 1, 2, 3. I'll give you few minutes. Complete. If you have completed, then go for the last question. Next one. Yes. Okay. Okay. Finished. Right, okay. Something happened to the throat. So you ugra infectella the ugra infectella. Guru dano. Daval honda hitia. Eh? Guru. Given below are some interactions between food chains. Use the above diagram to answer the questions. What is the above connection called? What is this? So what is this
Food
known
web.
as? It's a
Food
food web.
web.
Food web. So, two food chains with four links. Are there any chains with the four links? From where should I start? I can start from plants. Plants. Plants, grasshopper. Grasshopper, frog. Then what? Eagle. You can't go for the red snake. There will be another one, eagle. Then 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. You have to consider until the end of this arrowhead. Arrowhead එක අන්තිම සතා යනකම් ගන්න ඕන. අතරමැද නවත්තන්න බෑ. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. It has 5 links, not 4. So you can't get it. It is wrong. Make it යන්න බෑ. Think another one. With 4 links. Plants. Plant, snail, golubella. Then the partridge. And eagle. 1, 2, 3, 4. Right. This is one of them. Another one. Plants, grasshopper, rat snake, eagle. That's right. The other one is plants, grasshopper.
Sir, can the rat snake see small insects?
Hmm?
Can rat snake see small insects?
No. They can't see. Plants, grasshopper, rattlesnake, eagle. These two have 4 links. Remember one thing, when you find the food chains, get until the end of the arrowhead. Arrowhead එක නවතින තැන එකක් ගන්න ඕන. මැදින් නවත්තන්න බෑ. තේරෙනවද? Write a food chain with 3 links. Is there any food chains with 3 links? What is it? Plant, grasshopper, eagle. Good. There's only one with 3 links, no? Plants, grasshopper, then eagle. Plants, grasshopper, then eagle. Name 3 herbivores and carnivore. Are there 3 herbivores? Who are they? Butterfly,
Grasshopper,
grasshopper,
snail,
snail. Carnivore? Who are the carnivores?
eagle,
Dragonfly, eagle, frog, rattlesnake, partridge, eagle, rattle, yes. So, name 3 herbivores and carnivore. Name a second consumer. Second consumer.
Eagle.
You can write rat snake. You can write eagle. Two animals that swallow two animals that swallow food without chewing. හපන් නැතුව ගිල්න සත්තු දෙන්නෙක් ගිල්ලනවා. Eagle and snake. Rat snake. No? තව ඉන්නවා පැට්‍රිච් කියන එකත් හරි. මුන් දෙන්නටම දත් නැහැනේ කටේ. කුරුල්ලෝ. A frog. Butterfly. බටර්ෆ්ලයි අපි ගන්න සාමාන්‍යයෙන් සක් ජූසස් කියලා. හපන් නැතුව ගිලිනවා කිව්වහම ගන්නේ බර්ඩ්ස්ලා. ඒ වගේම ස්නේක්ස් ගන්නත් පුළුවන්. And the frog. Animal that suck juice. Butterfly. One animal that belong to each group. Soil animal. Is there a soil animal? Yes. What is it? Animal lives in the soil. Snail, Golubella. Aerial animal means animal live in air. වාතයේ ජීවත් වෙන සතෙක්.
Eagle.
Eagle. Dragonfly. Partridge.
Butterfly.
Butterfly. ඉවරද? තව එකක් තියෙනවානේ. Last question. No, last before. මිනිහත් ඉන්නවා ඒකේ. Normally, humans are not included in a food web or chain. Do you know why? Human beings are not included normally. Rarely comes. Reason is that man or human can join in anywhere of this food chain. He can be a herbivore, omnivore, carnivore. එයාට මේ හැම තැනින්ම join වෙන්න පුළුවන්. මේ ඕන එකක කන්න පුළුවන්. ආවොත් කනවා, මුවොත් කනවා, නරිත් කනවා, කොටිත් කනවා, දියත් කනවා, තනකොළක් කනවා, බියර්ඩ්ස්ත් කනවා. So complicated. ඕන්න කෑවේ ඇයි ඉස්සර කාලේ දඩයන් කරු මිනිස්සු කවුද දන්නේ කෑවද නැද්ද කියලා. මස් කාලේ ජීවත් වුනේ. ඒ නිසා සාමාන්‍යයෙන් හියුමන් ගන්නෙ නැහැ අපි. නමුත් මේක ඉන්නවා. මිනිස්සුලුවක් තියෙන. කමන්නේ ඉන්න පුළුවන්. Write 2 food chains with 3 links and 4 links. Use these animals. 3 links and 4. Use only those animals. මේ සත්තුන්ගෙන් විතරක් හදන්න තියෙනවා. කොබන් මේක හදපු යදුස්සන් ඔය කෑ ගහන්නේ නැහැ. ඉවර කරාද කියලා බලන්න. කො නෑනේ සද්ද විතරනේ. සමහරුන්ගේ සද්ද විතරයි වැඩ නැහැ. Tell me one of the food chain with 3 links out of the animals and the plants given only. මේ දීලා තියෙන එකේ විතරයි. From where should I start it? No plant given. But grains are there. What do you mean by grains? Dhanya. Grains කියන්නේ ධාන්‍ය. Who eat grains? Hen කියන්නේ kikili. Right? Kikili is eaten by fox. Another one with 4 links. Once
Excuse
again
me, sir.
starting with greens. Then,
Excuse me, sir.
yes,
Sir, we can't see the board.
you can't see the board. The camera has stopped. Yes. Tell me a food chain with 4 links. Grains. Sparrow. What is sparrow? Nah. Sparrow කියන්නේ කවුද? වීකුරුල්ලා.
The bird.
වීකුරුල්ලා sparrow. Sparrow is eaten by Sparrow is eaten by මේ මොකද්ද මේ? Rat Sparrow is eaten by rat snake. Then rattlesnake eaten by fox. Who is that? Name two herbivores in this food web. Deer, rabbit, caterpillar. But don't write human. Two carnivores, tiger, fox. Omnivore, man. Reason, both plants and meat, both plants and meat are eaten. Food chain of 4 links. Is there any food chain with 4 links here? Yes. What is it? Grass, grasshopper, caterpillar, sparrow, and tiger. Another one? Food chain with 3 links only. Grass, deer, tiger, or grass, man, tiger. Or grass, rabbit, tiger. එහෙමත් පුළුවන්. Grass, rabbit, tiger. Tiger ගෙන් ඔක්කොම ඉවරයි. Tiger කියන එක foxව කන්නේ නැද්ද? ෆයිට් එකකදී මැරුවොත් මිසක් එහෙම නිකන් පරාගෙන කන්නේ නැහැ නේද ඌ? කනවා? මරනවා කියන එක වෙනයි මරාගෙන කනවා කියන එක තව එකක් ඈ. එනටි මිනි මස් කන ගෝත්‍රිකයොත් ඉන්නේ. නේද? ඔව් ඕන තරම් ඉන්නේ. Next on. Name the following types of animals from the above food web. Above food web. මේ food web එකෙන් හොයන්නේ. Arboreal means live on trees. ගස් උඩ ජීවත් වෙන. That means birds. Who are they? ඔතන ඉන්න සතෙක් වෙන්න ඕන. Animal in that food web. Sparrow. What is it? Terrestrial means ගොඩබිම. There are a lot. Fox and tiger. Human. Aerial කිව්වහම Sparrow magpie ඉන්නේ. So Sparrow හිටිය කලින් එකේ නේ. Aerial animal කිව්වහම eagle is the eagle? No. No, not tiger. උතන aerial කිව්වහම dragonfly butterfly නෑ නේද? ඒක අතාරින්න. Who has sharp canine teeth? Tiger. Who has a lot of legs for locomotion? Caterpillar. Last one. Paragraphs. Words are given. Animals and plants. Blank. Each other for life. What? each other, ekineka mata, what happened? Animals and plants depends on, that's right. Yeah, depend on each other for life. Green plants produce their own food by using sunlight, sorry, water, and chlorophyll. During the process, plants evolve. Evolve means pita karanawa. What? Plants evolve what?
Oxygen.
Oxygen. මේ මොකද්ද? Oxygen purifies the කියලා තියෙන්නේ. Oxygen and the printed mistake එකක් තියෙන්නේ purify. What do you mean by purifies? පිරිසිදු කරනවා. එයා වාතය. Oxygen වලින් වාතය පිරිසිදු කරනවා. Animals මොකක්ද තියෙන්නේ? Use oxygen. need වෙන්නත් පුළුවන්, use වෙන්නත් පුළුවන්. To what? මෙන්න මෙතන කමා එකක් අඩුයි to breathe. And they breathe out what? Carbon dioxide. Good. They breathe out carbon dioxide. Carbon dioxide, I think you were like a full stop. Then once again, carbon dioxide is needed by the plants for what?
Photosynthesis.
Photosynthesis. Within the paragraph is a good job. You should have clear idea of the unit, entire unit to complete such a paragraph. මේ වගේ paragraph එකක් fill කරන්න ලේසි නෑ. මුළු පාඩමම දැනගන්න ඕන හරියටම. හරියටම කරා කියන්නේ හොඳයි. ඔය නිකන් හිස්තැන් පුරනවා වගේ නෙමෙයි මේ වගේ paragraph එකක් complete කරනවා කියන්නේ sentences කියවන්න පුළුවන් වෙන්න ඕන, තේරුම් ගන්න පුළුවන් වෙන්න ඕන. නේද? හොඳ අවබෝධයක් තියෙන්න ඕන තමන් ඉගෙනගත්ත පාඩම සම්බන්ධයෙන්. So that's the end of that topic. Not end. It's not ended yet. Wait a bit. As I told you, I want to tell you this. Yeah, look at this. Tiger depend on different types of food. This tiger, Black Panther, depends on different animals. It survive the existence of this animal. If one of the animal die, it does not affect to the tiger. Tiger can survive by eating other animals. Different animals depend on different types of food. Same animal depend on different kinds of food also. එකම සතා ආහාර කීපයක් මත යැපෙනවා. That's why I told that the food webs are good than the food chains. But there are some animals who can't depend on different types of foods, like panda. Panda depends only on bamboo stems. Therefore, panda is in the threat of extinction. What do you mean by extinction? වන්දවී යන්න තර්ජනයට ලක් වෙලා තියෙන්නේ. Panda can't get use other food. Eat only bamboo. මුන්ට කන්න පුළුවන් bamboo stems විතරයි. Panda lives in high mountains in China. Panda is one of the animal who's on the top of the red data book. රතු දත්ත පොත කියලා එකක් තියෙනවා. In that book, the names of animals who are under threat of extinction. වන්දවී යාමේ තර්ජනයට ලක් වෙලා ඉන්න සත්තු තමයි ඉන්නේ. ඒකේ උඩින්ම ඉන්නේ panda. There are some animals that are already extincted, like dinosaur, mammoth, woolly mammoth, dodo bird. ඒගොල්ලෝ කොහොමත් දැන් නැහනේ. වඳ වෙලානේ. We have only their fossils. පැන්ඩාගෙත් ඉතින් fossils සම්බේ ඉස්සරහට. එයාට බෑ වෙන ගස් කන්න. පුරුදු වෙලා නැහැ ඌ. එහෙම වෙන්න එපා. පැන්ඩෙක් වෙන්න එපා. Don't be a panda. අහුවෙන ඕන දෙයක් කන්න පුරුදු වෙන්න ඕන. Otherwise, your existence is not established. එහෙම නැත්නම් ඔයගොල්ලන්ගේ පැවැත්ම තහවුරු වෙන්නේ නැහැ. You can't survive. නොනැසී පවතින්න බැරි නෝ නැත්තම්. තේරෙනවද? අපි ඒක පොඩ්ඩක් ලියා ගන්න ඕන. මම නෝට් එක දෙන්නම්. Food webs are better than food chains. Food webs හොඳයිලු food chains වලට වැඩිය. Because in a food web, same animal depend on කවුද උගන්වන්නේ තව මට ඇහෙනවා. In a food web, same animal depend on different types of food. Therefore, the existence කියන්නේ පැවැත්ම කියන එක. ඒ වචෙන්ට බය වෙන්න එපා. Existence. ඒ වචනේ ඔයගොල්ලන්ගේ පොතේ තියෙන නිසා මම ලියන්නේ. හරි? English terms නේ. Therefore, the existence of organisms is established. Establish කියන්නේ තහවුරු වෙනවා. Established. Animals who can't adapt කියන්නේ හුරු වෙනවා. Adapt to eat different types of foods will be extincted. What is extincted? වඳ වෙලා යනවා. වඳ වී යනවා. Example, panda. Because it eats only bamboo. ඔයා ලිව්වද පුතේ? ලියන්නේ නැහැ නේද? මේ ඔක්කොම ලිව්වා? නෑ නේ මම බලන්නේ. මේ පැන්ඩා ගැනත් ලිව්වා? Sure? පැන්ඩෙක් වෙන්න එපා. So I have sent another tute from the last unit. What is our last unit? Weather and climate. This is a good time to teach weather and climate. It's a bad weather. It's usual in every year. හැම අවුරුද්දෙම ওই කාලේ තමයි අහුවෙන්නේ. Climatic changes, yes. But I don't think now we have enough time to start that new one and the last one. Next week will be done. Is this a video? Yeah, hello. You want to watch it? මං හරි බයයි මේ වීඩියෝස් පෙන්වන්න මේ YouTube වීඩියෝස් මොකද කොපිරයිට් වදින නිසා. එතකොට සෙන්ඩ් කරන්න බෑ ළමයින්ට. එතකොට ඔන්ලයින් බබාලට එන ප්‍රශ්නයක් වෙනවා හිටපු නැති අයට. එහෙනම් මම දැන් ගොඩක් අඩුවෙන් තමයි වීඩියෝස් රන් කරන්නේ.
Previously on Ecosystem. Let's continue knowing about the ecosystem. Where do we get the energy to do different work? Yes, it is from the food that we eat. Food is a source of energy for all living organisms. And to obtain this energy, they depend on other organisms and plants. And that's how our ecosystem functions. Consider this. Grasshopper feeds or depends on the grass to obtain their food. This grasshopper is in turn eaten by the frog. The frog is eaten by the snake, and the snake is eaten by the eagle. Here, the grass is a producer. It obtains the energy from the sun to produce its own food. And all other organisms which feed on each other are the consumers. Thus, a series of organisms that eat one another, resulting in the flow of energy from one organism to the other, is called a food chain. Many such food chains exist in the ecosystem. One organism can be food for many. Let's understand this. Many worms feed on the same grass. The worms are eaten by the frogs and hen. If you carefully notice, the hen feeds on grains too. But this frog and hen are both eaten by the eagle. Here, if you see, multiple food chains are formed, and these interconnecting food chains are called food web. Few important things that we have to understand here are that sun is the driving force for all. Every food chain begins with a producer. Depending on the number of organisms involved in a food chain, the order of consumers too vary. Like the food chain that we began with was the longest and had consumers starting from primary to secondary to tertiary and quaternary. But if you see the food chain with hen and eagle, it is the shortest with only primary and secondary consumers. In this food web, if you consider the hen, it feeds on both grain and worm. That is, it obtains energy from the food of both plant and animal source, and hence is an omnivore. Observe eagle in our example. In all the food chains, it is a predator, meaning it only feeds on other organisms. It is not a food or prey for any other organism, right? Such organisms are called apex consumers or predators. They are always at the highest point in the food chain. But what happens to these apex consumers then? They ultimately die and are decomposed by the next set of biotic component, that is, decomposers. And the components are added back to the soil. Each type of ecosystem has such food chains and food webs functioning that help in the transfer of energy. Fascinating, isn't it? The next time you eat something, remember you too are being part of some food chain. Before we go, it's time for some quiz. Are you ready? Here we go. Can you name the producers and consumers in the right order in the given food chain? Write your answers in your notebook. Here is another question coming your way. Identify the apex consumers in the given food web.
Apex consumers? උඩම ඉන්න අය කවුද? Apex කියන්නේ උඩම.
State whether
Carnivores.
true or false. Humans are omnivores.
True or false? True.
Hope you could answer the questions correctly. With this, we end our session. If you liked our session, please give us a thumbs up and stay tuned with us for more such informative sessions.
But don't blame me if the copyright is in this video. Okay? මේකට copyright වැදුනොත් මට බයින්න එපා. මොකෝ? හදිසියද? Huh? Right, okay then. Good night, children.